Hi there, Kevin Tharp here, and today we are going to do a week 6 update, and we're also going to look forward to week 7 because I know that some of you are working ahead, and there's a little bit of change that happens in week 7 that I just want to talk to you about. So, um, this class is going swimmingly. Very few problems that we have had along the way. The assignment for chapter 7 was a little bit off, but people contacted me early enough that I was able to revise that assignment and get it on track. So basically, some of the tools that they were telling you were free tools to use for keyword research are no longer free. So what we did is we did a little bit of pivot and moved towards AI for identifying keywords, which is common practice in the industry. So that didn't really hurt things. Actually, probably moved you a little bit further in the right direction than the textbook would have had you doing. So we're into week 6, and that's almost the halfway point. Week 6 is actually, from a work standpoint, lower than a lot of the other weeks, and so you'll be introduced to the what is it, why does it matter. That's an assignment where you look at definitions and you're going to tell me what is it and why does it matter. So you're going to be talking about things in SEO that you've been reading about, and you're going to identify what it is and why it matters in SEO. The other thing that you're going to do is you're going to be start working on this LinkedIn um, SEO project. So in that, it's a research project that you will be publishing to LinkedIn, your profile on LinkedIn, and that you have a couple weeks from the time I give it to you to work on it, and that's sort of the midterm assignment. Not sort of, it is the midterm assignment for this class, and it's one of the you'll notice it's 550 points. That's a lot of points in this class. So it's one of the two largest assignments. So I give you a few extra weeks to work on that to get that completed. You'll notice that that's due October 27th. And so that's in your, I introduced it in week 6. It's due in week 8. And then we'll go forward from there with the other things. But what I wanted to bring to your attention in week 7, everything else kind of continues the way it has been for a while, but you're going to start seeing this simulation. And so simulation is a A/B testing. Now it's not going to let me go in there because I'm in student view. But what it is it is a simulation of a real life situation where you will be doing A/B testing and that sort of thing to get a more realistic feel of what SEO looks like when it's actually being done. So they're simulating a real world environment. And once we start that, you'll be continuing that every week. So there's 9 of those rounds that you will do through the semester. Starting in this week 7, you'll do it from there until the end of the semester. Now, what you're doing in there corresponds to the chapters that I've got you reading at the time. So as you read the chapters, once you've read the appropriate chapters, you can do this. Now, once these open up, you can do them all. So they're hidden until I think week 6, and then once they're visible, you can do that and do those as you go through. But I have a due date for one in each of the modules that we do, just to make sure that you stay on track. So at this point, I see a number of students that are working ahead in what they need to do, especially in the stuff that's in the textbook. That's perfect. That's great. No worries at all there. I set it up so that you can do that. Now that the simulation rounds show up for you, you can move forward with the rest of that and continue that working ahead with all of the things that are available and required for the class. So I am busily continuing to post the additional work to try and get it out in front of you. Again, for those of you that want to work ahead, I'm working on the week 9 stuff now. That should be published here again during week 6. And that's really all that I've got for now. Keep on carrying on, and we will talk to you all later. Bye-bye.